Welcome to Peg Multimedia Arise. My name is Rani. Today we're going to learn the vocabulary words from lesson 37. The lesson 37 that talk about mistakes and polite phrases. Okay, let's begin. So, word number 1 is stay. Stay. Stay means to not move to other place. For example, you stay here and I will back soon. You stay here and I will back soon. Stay. Word number 2 is protect. Protect. Protect means to keep someone safe from danger. For example, my brother protects me from bad people. My brother protects me from bad people. Protect. Word number 3 is priest. Priest. Priest is a leader in the church. For example, the priest prayed for the dying man. The priest prayed for the dying man. Priest. Word number 4 is lock up. Lock up. Lock up means to put someone in a place then cannot go outside. For example, he locks someone up in the room. He locks someone up in the room. Lock up. Word number 5 is admit. Admit. Admit means to confess to be true. For example, he admitted his mistakes. He admitted his mistakes. Admit. So the last word is arrest. Arrest. When the police find someone did something wrong, they arrest them. For example, the police arrested the thief. The police arrested the thief. Okay, everyone, let's repeat after me one more time. Stay. Stay. Protect. Protect. Priest. Priest. Lock up. Lock up. Admit. Admit. Arrest. Arrest. Okay, good job everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand and you can make the sentence by using the words that we have learned today. If you want to watch a full video, please click the link below. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.